Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to block sensitive content on Instagram in 2025. This is going to let you control what shows up in your Explore, Reels or recommendations feed, making your feed safer and cleaner. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines here in the top right hand corner of the screen. This is going to redirect you here on your settings and privacy. So you need to simply scroll down here and try to find the option of what you see. You can also use this search bar here in the top in order to find the content preferences option. So here if you search for content, you are going to see the option of content preferences. So here in content preferences, you will see the first option of sensitive content. So if you tap on the option of the sensitive content, you are going to see three different options over here. So the first option would be of standard and it will be the default setting. So you can tap on the option of less if you want to use the strict filtering to block most sensitive content. In some of the accounts, the more option is no longer available because Instagram has removed it from many users. So here you can select the option of less here, but you can also select the option of more. So whichever sensitive content you want to use, you can simply select that. If you are under 18, Instagram sets your account to less by default, but you won't be able to change to more or stricter filters will automatically apply. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.